Alright guys, what is up? So today we're going to be working on this. We're just doing some little TLC work, making it look nice and fresh. So I picked up this metal polish stuff right here. Made in Germany, stuff super sick. So I picked up this metal polish right here. And I'm just going to go through the whole bike and... God, the dogs. But yeah, so I'm going to go through the whole bike and just try to get all the metal stuff. And especially the headers. So I'm gonna polish up the headers, make them all shiny. I have the fairing off already. Gonna go up here, polish up all this metal. Just anything that's like metal, especially the exhaust, the whole exhaust basically. The headers, exhaust, casings, rear sets. I'm just gonna go through with the polish stuff and just go crazy with it. So I also have some Scotch-Brite pads, which should make it easier. And let's go ahead and see how it looks. We're gonna start off by just taking some simple green and cleaning everything so it's super clean. There's no dirt on it before we start polishing. And then get the Scotch-Brite and with the metal polish and then start going at it. And then we'll use a microfiber to polish everything off. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so I ordered these red Scotch-Brite pads that I'm gonna use with the polish. And this is gonna just help get all the pitting and all the heavy stuff off because just the microfiber by itself won't do. You can turn the light on. This is pretty heavily corroded, not too bad. Like right here you can still see some of the chrome, but we're gonna hit it with this with some polish and see how it looks. Alright, so I'm just gonna spread this metal polish onto here, kind of the area I'm gonna be working on, and then we're gonna go see how this stuff works. And we're gonna get our little Scotch-Brite and we're gonna try to go like one direction and start polishing this stuff. Oh, and as you can see already, look at that. It's literally like just the rust and all the corrosion is coming off. And yo, I barely even did anything and look. Oh my God. That's crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the whole exhaust and we're gonna come back and see how it looks. Alright, so after a little bit of work with the Scotch-Brite, we went our first pass. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off and we'll see what it looks like. And this, oh my God. Yo. It's like the stainless steel is back. Look at that. Like, this is how it was. If you look in there, that's how it was. And this is what it's like now. And this was just like a few minutes of going over with the Scotch-Brite. This is crazy. Oh my God. Look at that. Like, the difference. Like, you can start, but you can see the metal now. I feel like a couple more passes with the Scotch-Brite, and then we're going to polish it off with the micro and some more polish. And they should be looking fresh. Look at that. It's like a whole new look. Oh my God. Alright, let's keep going with this. Let's clean this all this gross stuff off and put some more polish on there and get all those spots that we... Oh, let me see. Oh God, look at that. Yo. Oh my gosh. Alright, so let's keep going. Let's make this look even better. Alright, the second pass with the Scotch-Brite is done. Let's see what it looks like. Get some more light. Let's wipe this down. Oh my God, the stainless steel is back almost. God, this stuff works so good. Yeah, look at that. It's literally chrome. It just needs a little polish with the microfiber. But if you see in there where I didn't reach, that's how this was right there. Just like gross. And now it's all like that. So I think we just have to get all the little spots now, like right here and stuff. Would recommend this stuff for sure, the metal polish. Yo guys, this is such vibes. I'm just working on the bike right now, polishing, and it's like pouring rain outside. Check this out. Straight pouring out here. Such a vibe. working on the bike in rain. And it's like warm out. It's like 70 degrees almost. And it's like, this is sick. But guys, look how it turned out. I'm just gonna show you. So I'm pretty much done with the Scotch-Brite pad. And look at that difference. Like, it looks like a brand new freaking exhaust. Like, bro, I just need to do that section. I'm gonna have to take this off in order to get to that section right there. But, yo, what? This stuff is magic, literally. Alright, let's get all the missing little pieces that we missed, and then we'll move on to the mid-pipe or whatever. Alright, so after a few hours of polishing, this is what we got, guys. Check this out. We pretty much have like chrome polished exhausts, chrome polished headers. Look at that. I literally went all out on this. Took me a couple hours, and I did the mid-pipe. But yeah, boom, look at that. All of this, all of this, all of that underneath, and the whole header. So, boom. Definitely recommend this if you remember how they were before to how they are now. Big difference. This like $8 German metal polish or whatever it is on Amazon. Definitely recommend it. It made the dirty old rusty looking headers. Just with this and a Scotch-Brite pad, literally looks almost brand new now. This is just a nice little thing if you want kind of like update your bike and make it look newer. And then I'm gonna fix these broken tabs on that one right there. I need to fix the broken tabs with special plastic repair that I have. I'm gonna make a video on that. And then after we do that, we're gonna finally throw on the carbon fiber underfairings. That should be here within the next week, so hope you guys liked the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
With you in the morning, I let go to feel more alive. I want those eyes to never be lonely. Let's make this night